Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to unpair your HomeLink garage door opener if you have it set up on your Honda product. This is a Honda TL, Acura TL, and it also works for Hondas as well. So first of all, you know this is a one garage door opener, 2, 3. So if you have it set, which I'm not going to show you, I have my garage door, I have a lot of stuff inside, but if you have it, to unpair it, you gotta hold this button and watch this LED. So that LED, hold it for 20 seconds. Constantly hold it, and it'll blink. When it blink, it's gonna disappear. That's how easy it is to unpair it. So it's blinking, blinking, blinking. Now let go, because it stopped. Then you hit this button, which is mine. It doesn't open the garage door anymore. Of course, I should have shown you when the garage door was working with it, but that's all you need to do to unpair, unset up, whatever you call it to do to unpair it to the garage door. Then you could probably sell your car or trade in, whatever, just to be safe so nobody can enter your house. Okay, that's all I have right now. Hope this helps you. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.